All right, this is 7.3 diesel IDI on the 1990 F250. We just cycled it one time. I'm going to give it another try here in a second. Haven't tried to turn it over. I just turned the heater on. I'm going to run a second one. We're at about 26 degrees here overnight. Did not plug it in. Okay, so there's our first, or actually this is our second time around. And see how it does. So it's chilly little morning. It's not sub-zero, but it's cold enough for this old machine. All right, here we go. There's cold start. It's definitely rattling.